Obviously, the shoe deal situation has taken on a whole new meaning in the last year with what went down with the FBI getting involved in college athletics, and of course everything that went on at the University of Louisville only a couple of weeks after they signed a $180 million shoe deal with Adidas. These are things that you can accept on the college level probably, but when they start getting involved in youth sports, it takes on a little different connotation. The bottom bullet point on this slide is problematic in nearly every issue you can post it. When students or any wannabe player simply can't afford to play, the league, in my estimation, or the school system has an obligation to cover that expense for that student. You can't penalize someone because their parents can't afford to pay a fee for them to play. I think that's just should be just standard operating procedure for any league or organization. You cannot hold out players simply because they're in a position where they can't afford to pay for it.